Good evening, children. Today, nowadays we are facing the problem COVID, isn't it? So, if we are affected, where we are going? We are going to the hospital, taking tablets for fever or cough or any problem. They are checking and all. This is the thing we are facing for 2 years. Now we have found vaccination to prevent it. So, whose duty all these? This is public health. Government has to take care of the children. What is government? We the people are only forming the government. Now lesson is public health and the government. Public, we the people, we have to take care of our health and the government has to facilitate for that. All the citizens, we expect some basic needs of life from the government. What are our basic needs? Food, shelter and clothes. These are the basic needs. Now all citizens, we are all equal in front of law and in every situation we are equal. We have right to equality. Now government health centers, hospital, laboratory for the diagnosis and ambulance service, blood bank, all these are needed to prevent and treat the illness. If we are ill, we have to, that is for the treatment or to prevent it, we need all this. And we need vaccination, enough food, safety drinking water and proper sanitation. These are all the basic things we need. And we need large number of doctors, nurses and medical colleges for the students and largest producer of medicines. Medicines also we need. Now example, healthcare services, we take example for the two children, two students from your class, Kiran and Sarita are the two different people. Now rich people, they go to the private hospitals and poor people, they go to the health centers run by government. Why? First, fees. Doctor fees won't be there in the health centers, whereas private means we have to pay the pay the fees. Now we discuss about the treatment, fees and what's the time taken. They are meeting in the classroom and both were not well. They were taken leave and they are discussing, Kiran and Sarita. Now Sarita is a rich, coming from rich family, and as soon as she is ill, she was taken by her father to the private hospital. She says they tested and blood test and x-rays and all taken in the private hospital within 1 hour, and they prescribed medicines, and I came home for the 3 days. I took the tablet and I am okay. Whereas she is asking about the Kiran. Kiran comes from the poor family. He visited his father to the health center. There he was standing in a line and the doctor asked him to check. There also one or 2 hours he was waiting. Then by evening he gets a tablet, prescribed tablets given by the health center, and slowly 3 to 4 days it took for him to get all right. Like this, these two were discussing. So, what do we come from here? These examples, if we visit the public health service, we need not pay anything. Everything is free for us because it is run by government. If we go to the private hospital, for each and everything, they are charging. We have to pay for that. But one thing, we may become alright within 1 or 2 days. Now, government hospitals also, Department of Ayush is there. Department of Ayush taking care, look after, we have 4 types: Ayurvedic, Homeopathy, Unani and Siddha. These 4 we are following in India. Private health services in rural area, urban area. If we see, urban means developed one, no doubt. In rural area, registered medical practitioner, RPM or RMP, registered medical practitioner, he will do in the health department. And health insurance also, provided for the people. If we pay the amount and if we get the insurance card, that is the insurance money we get it for the treatment. That is one facility. Public, they are doing they are doing quality service also in that insurance we are getting. And public facilities, 108 ambulance also is there. That 108 ambulance, if we call to take the patient to the hospital, it is for the urgent case we have to call. 104 vehicle also there, ambulance. It provides some ordinary services to discharge from the hospital, or for the ordinary services or the basic service they do. Now, what the government duty, basic public facilities they have to provide related to the food, cloth, shelter. In that, when we are talking about the food, nutritious food government has to give. Now, Arogyasri system is there. That Arogyasri pattern, we get the good nutritious food for the poor people. Now, nutrition, undernutrition, malnutrition is there. We have to take the nutritious food, and undernutrition means we are not getting that nutritious food. Malnutrition, by mistake some what are unwanted we are eating. So, better nutrition means stronger immunity. We get the power, immunity power we are getting. Immunity power. Now, government, apart from all these health centers, arranged midday meals, Arogyasri scheme, and area hospital and all. What is it? Area hospital, there also the public facilities are there. You need not pay the fees, or sometimes minimum fees will be there. Arogyasri, they are taking care of the people in health. Now, midday meal school. In the school, we have to get the nutritious food. So, government is arranging midday meals for the students, those who are all attending the school, giving egg or the palak, like that nutritious food to make their body strong. So, public health, government has to take care of the people, and we the people can utilize that hospital, and we need not pay the money. Like this, government is taking care of the public health.